Hey everyone, Cody here for Builderall. And today I'm going to show you how to build a website through using templates in the Cheetah website builder. So if you don't see this screen on your home page, you can go to Apps and Cheetah website builder. So you just want to click here on Enter. And if you have any published sites like I do, it's going to show up here. I'm going to click Create New. And we're going to be using the professional templates. Click Choose. And as you can see on the side, you have a lot of different options. There's a lot of pre-built templates for you. There's ones for agency, for courses. You got your legal pages. You got some niche funnels, blank, of course. I'm going to go over to Site Express. And here is local businesses you can choose from. So let's just choose, let's see, let's just choose this one. And click Save to confirm. And it's going to begin building your website. And if you have a slow connection like me, it's going to take forever. I apologize. All right, and now you're in your Cheetah website. You have your home page, your About Us, Services, and Contact. So first of all, to differentiate this from the other websites you have, if you have any, go to Site Settings on the corner. And we're going to choose, let's see, My Restaurant. Whoops. Okay. And you don't have to have any of these other options, except maybe for this one. I would recommend doing CRM enabled. And what this is going to do is, if you get any customers through your email that's linked to this website, maybe it's like an offer page, it's going to put them in your back office, and you're going to be able to see their email addresses. You're going to see what they purchased or if they didn't purchase. So I just always have that the CRM clicked. And we click Save. All right. Now let's go ahead and edit page from the home page. Now, as you can see at the top, this is your navigator. Oops, when it comes up. And you're able to click through all your pages. Really easy. You don't have to go back and choose your page. So that's really helpful. This is the settings panel, and it's connected to this arrow right here. So you can click that arrow and hide it, or click it to get it back. And this is where we're going to do most of your edits from. Right here you have your menu, also known as your header. This is the menu header. This is the web page banner, the first fold. This is what customers will see first. Right here you have like probably like About Us page. And more information about the website. Right here, this website contains a services area. You can play all your services here. Some statistics about sales and visitors. Social proof with what people are saying about your website, and testimonials, which is always important. Contact us page right here. So if a customer needs help, they can just contact you through here. Address, hours, and the email is right here. And this particular website contains a newsletter subscription. So this is a great way to get email addresses and leads into your funnel. Of course, you can always follow up with them later. So first off, you can always click on an element. You can save an element for later use. Of course, you can edit it. You can layer it down. So if I wanted to layer it down, I could put it behind this this black area. Layer it up. You can center the element. So we click it right here. It's going to center it. Let's put that back. And here's how you configure. Now this is a list, of course, of all the links that will show up. So if I click the link area, You see it's already set to home, and it opens in the same tab. And of course, this is under Pages. If you want a custom link, you click Web, put the URL in, and then click Save. But we want to just go to the home page, so we click Save. The About Us. You see it's on the About Us and in the new tab. Services, on Services. And Contacts on Contact Form. Okay, so this menu is set up on this page. Okay, so then we want to go and check the menu system that it works. So we go back, go to the home, go to website, click home, and as you can see at the top, it's the home page. Go to About Us, and it switches to About Us. Services is the services, and Contact is the contact. All right, so that's it for the menu. Gonna go back and edit. Okay. Now, if you want to change text, all you got to do is double click, and you can highlight, you can delete, and you can type something new. And you can delete an area by single left clicking and hitting delete. Yes, delete. Okay, and it's pretty much just any regular text editor. You can choose the font, the size, bold, italic, pretty much anything you can do in Word or Google Doc, you can do in Builderall. If you click on the outside, everywhere you click, you notice that there's a little menu that pops up, and these are panels. So this is a panel. This is a panel. And this is the panel, and so on. And you click this, and then it's a box, and the box is a container. It holds text, buttons, so forth. But the panel is the whole area, goes from left to right. And you can edit, save, you can clone it, and you can hide it. Now, you probably want to hide it only in the mobile view, but that is an option, so you can add something different for mobile. So we click edit. It's going to pop up over here. You can also click it and expand this out, and then you're inside the editor. So you click settings. You can control the size, the border type, and the size as well, the color. Of course, you can hide it, of course. Here's your background settings. So there's no color selected, but it is this image. So all you can do is just change the image. And let's say I want this one right here. Probably wouldn't work too well for a pizza restaurant, but okay. Click this, click save. Okay, and there it is. It changed. Of course, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't fit with a pizza restaurant, but you get the point. As you scroll down and click this panel, you can see this changes. Click the image, and we're able to edit. And as you can see, this side panel changes to reflect what we clicked on. So the general settings are where you find the image at, and we can click change. And let's see, let's go ahead and choose just any old picture will do. This is just for an example. Let's click this one, save, and it changes right there. You can also click and drag this circle in the middle, and that will that'll rotate it. These on the side will control the size, so you can control the size as well. Of course, double clicking over here, you can change the font and the text itself. Let's click on this panel, and here's a button. Buttons are really important to direct customers or clients where you want to take them. You click Edit, and of course it's the button menu, so you can change the size, the width, and as you see it displays the height. Just a giant button. Okay. So let's get that to, let's see, let's put it back. You can choose the colors, of course. So if you were unhappy with that color, you can choose something different. You choose a hover effect, background colors. You also choose gradient colors. You can choose one to change to. Not very good looking, but you get the point. And then as you scroll down, there's border options. You can make them more round. Actually, see, I just did this corner. So you look, it's kind of a weird shape, but it's pretty unique. Under hairline, you can change it to wherever you want. So let's do click here. You can change the font, the size, the color. Let's do white. Okay. And if there's a subheading, you can change that as well. This is where the shadow goes. As you can see, the shadow, you can change it to whatever you want. We'll change it to black. And let's make that a little less. There we go. Click the button again. I also do some animation. So under hover, you can choose the effect. Fade left. And it shows what it'll look like in the corner. So we bounce up. Just to add a little bit of a different style to your buttons. Tags is kind of a higher level thing that we'll discuss later. And advanced also. So we'll discuss those options later. Now if you want to move up a panel up or down, so let's say we want this panel above this, just click on the panel. We'll go down to move panels. And we want to change this. This is where we're on. And we want to move it up. Click move. And it'll take a second to move, of course. And there we go. And as you can see, it moved. And maybe we want to, there it is. So of course it doesn't look right because this is the header. It's supposed to be up, but just to show you that you can move panels up and down as you like. And of course down here, this is the footer. And you can customize this as well. Click the form. You can edit the form as well. Let's go click this. And of course we can change everything right here as well. This is the mailing boss form. It's the email autoresponder within Builderall. And you can configure everything right here. We're going to dive more deep into this into another video later on. But just pretty much let you know, you can customize everything. Everything is drag and drop, so that's really great. And yeah, just wanted to show you a little bit about creating a website with a template. You would obviously change out pictures and text and customize buttons and where they take you. But other than that, you have a website pre-built for you pretty much, and it's really great for building out for yourself or for clients, and it's just a quick way to make some extra money on the side. So with that said, thanks for watching the video and take care. Have a great day.